These are the elevators at the Riverside Center for Innovation in North Shore, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These are Dover Marshall SPF elevators. The down button's kind of weird to press. These are T3 controllers. Yeah, that one's really weird. The left down works, the right one does not. It's an LED. This one's the only one that goes down to the basement. Has a taller cab, and it's kind of dark. Basement. Here we go down. Whoa. Your basement has a really weird high-pitched beep. Hello. Oh, it's creepy down there. Interesting place for comments. I got a side in like a deep frame. I think these replaced old freight elevators. Go up to 6. There we go. Interior lock. Both optional, and they're both in can. I wonder if the beeper on this one broke and had to get replaced. Here, 6. Back down to 1. No phone, just the red wire. Old key card reader probably doesn't work. Certificate installed in 1991. Green elevator inspection. It's a basic 90s tall cab. Now the other one is a short cab, does not serve the basement, has the regular chime. Here, back at 1. Traditional style fire circles, and that's going to be it.